Yo, what is poppin', everyone? It's your boy Noah here, coming at you with a brand new video. Today we're at Norton Skate Park, and here's hello, his brother, I think. Yeah. And I actually finally got around to going to Best Buy and I didn't get a chest mount because I'm stupid. So, I mean, it was $90 for a freaking chest mount. So.
Wait, $90?
Yeah. So we just got one of these, and that's good. We need a thumbnail.
A thumbnail?
And we gotta do it quickly because yeah. Thing on. There we go. And I guess we'll hold up. I need a quick thumbnail. Oh wait, I gotta this thing's heavy, I think. All right, that should be good. How's that view?
When I'm done the skate park, when I'm done.
Oh, that's perfect. Sure.
When me and Jonathan are going home.
Yeah.
I'm gonna go on YouTube.
Okay. Yeah, my channel's Noah Dawson, so go to below, subscribe, it's a free W. All you have to do is click one button, it's easy. And let's get a thumbnail.
What's a thumbnail?
It's just the picture from the video. Should be good. Also, guys, my scoot is riled. So say hi. All right, so this is I'm not used to this because I haven't had a camera for a long time. All right, so we'll do a tail whip, I guess. Yeah, and then I have this line. 180. Yeah. So I'll do Woo! Is my camera still on? Okay. I don't know how okay. So I guess we'll do this line that I like to do. So I'll show you guys. Ah! So there's this line. So I come here, drop it in his back. And then we jump this box right here. Jump this little box. Whoa, God! Whip. Ah! And double whip. And I can't see. Double whip. Oh, you suck. Hold up. All right, guys. I'm trying to make sure my camera's all straight and stuff. Hold up.
Yeah, I think it's straight now.
Hold up. 95% battery. So guys, my friend Rishik is coming. So I don't really know how good of a view this is, but there's so much weight. Yo, there's Rishik! Rishik, say hi! What? He's got cookies! Let's see. I think he's got cookies! Bro's got cookies! Yo, say hi. Oh my God. That's freaking big. Say hi. So, yeah. I filmed myself doing my line. All right, guys, so. All right, let's go. Cool. All right, so we're just gonna do that line again. Okay.
That is an uncontrolled motorcycle.
Wait, can you move, please?
That is a really
Okay. All right, guys, so we're gonna drop into the bank, drop the bank, jump the box. Oh, frick. Whip on the hip. Oh, that was terrible. My helmet's fricked up. Double whip. Nope, that was terrible.
Where's my 360?
360. Nope, that was 180, so that was still good. So, guys, I don't know if I want to do this line, but we're gonna try and double whip out of the bank.
Oh, hell no.
Oh, hell yeah.
Maybe you should leave the camera. Maybe you should leave the camera here.
That's good. Okay, so we're gonna double whip the bank. That was pretty good. Power slide, you know. Oh my God. Here's Rich getting a freaking big cookie. And we're gonna chink the rail like this and this. Amazing. And now we're just gonna do my line. Dude, my knee pad hurts so bad right now, guys. I don't know if you can see, but it's broken. And I have a cut under it and it stings.
Follow me.
And put your pads on.
Wait, you want me to?
Jump the big
step there? Follow me.
Hold up.
Follow me. Jump the big step.
No, I'm gonna do my line, okay? Okay, let's go. All right, guys, so dropping it in the bag. Going over to the roller. Jump the roller. Whip on the hip. And then straight to the quarter pipe and a double whip. I could have had that. That was so good. You good?
Yeah.
Okay. Alrighty. So we got 5 minutes.
You've had to really use them.
Yeah. You already know. So mine are breaking. Best Buy. Just put it on. Say hi. This is going on YouTube, bro. So Bishop's not making his channel apparently.
I'm just gonna jump the big step real quick. Is it okay if you show, like me jumping the big step?
Sure, I'm filming. Okay, your bars are backwards, but
It doesn't matter. I'm gonna fix them real quick.
okay, do
It
it.
doesn't matter.
We got the ODI. What? So he's gonna jump this, I think.
Apparently.
Goddamn, bro, he's sturdy. So guys, what we're gonna do, this is the back where I tried to learn tilt. What we're gonna do, god damn.
1 foot skin.
That was, okay guys, we're gonna land this double whip. Ready?
No, you're not.
Yes, I am.
Don't kill yourself. Guys, who's gonna land it? He's not.
Yes, let's go, bro. Oh my god. Woo! Let's go. Oh, frick, yes. Let me take this off, hold up. Frick. All right, guys, so that was my first video at the skate park. Actually with my helmet. So I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, get below, subscribe. It's a free W. All you have to do is click one button. It's that easy. Also, while you're down there, you can hit the notification bell so you never miss an upload. Also, around there, hit the like button. All that would be greatly appreciated. It would really help me out. So, if you want to watch a video will pop up here. So, go subscribe to my friend Marcus. He'll be somewhere here. And go subscribe to me. Free W.
Yeah, next video.
Wait. Can I have the GoPro for a second? Yeah. Okay, guys. I'm taking you somewhere to see my massive cookie. No, but I'm stealing the GoPro. My GoPro. All right. Anyways, my helmet's probably stolen now. So I landed a double whip.
And next video, I'm gonna probably do a backflip.
Let's go.
Flare.
So
Flare next video.
no. So I might make another video like in a few minutes of learning double whips out of that bank. So this is dangerous. Don't do this at a skate park. Oh my god! Jesus. Oh, here's my friend Parker, by the way. And he's got dunks on it, looks like, or Jordan 1 lows. I don't know. This is going on YouTube, by the way. YouTube.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, actually,
like
say hi to
off-brand.
YouTube.
Huh?
Say hi to YouTube.
Hello.
Yeah. All right. Tell him you gotta subscribe, right?
Yeah.
Okay. He knows. And he's got a Prodigy. Look at this. Okay, let's see this. With the Reaper bars. Damn, this thing is light. It's lighter than mine. It's dialed. Like mine. Oh. So guys, hope you enjoyed the video. So yeah, peace.